excited for my first DIY video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own DIY bracelet holder. It's a super fun project and I know that I've been needing one of these bracelet holders. Let's get to making. Get a dowel rod that is 30 inches long by 1 inch wide and cut it into 3 10-inch pieces. Now, mark dots in places where you want to drill holes for the center rod. I'm marking one dot 5 inches from the edge in the center of the dowel, and drilling the other two a bit off-center at 4 inches from the edge. I messed up a bit on the placement of this one, so I had to draw 2 dots. Drill holes at the places you marked using a small drill bit. You don't need any exact size, but my bit is 1/8 inch. I'm drilling holes with a smaller drill bit first before moving up to a larger one to prevent the dowel rod from cracking. Make sure to do this on top of a piece of scrap wood so that you don't drill into your table or surface. Next, you'll need to drill those same holes with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Choose the dowel rod that you would like to go on top and make sure not to drill that one all the way through. You only need to go about halfway. Now, grab a hammer and a dowel rod that is 3/8 of an inch wide and 17 inches long. Hammer the drilled pieces onto it, arranging it how you like. I have an off-centered piece at the bottom, the centered piece in the middle, and the other off-centered piece with the hole going only halfway through on top. Adjust the dowel rods so that they are each 3 inches apart. Choose a mold to make the base of your bracelet holder. There are so many options here. It can be a container, a piece of recycling, or a sandcastle bucket to name just a few. Oil your container well with petroleum jelly to prevent sticking and mix up some plaster according to the package instructions. Pour the plaster into your mold, smooth it out, and stick your bracelet holder into it, securing well. Let your plaster harden according to the package instructions. I let mine harden in the bucket for 30 minutes and then popped it out to let it dry for 24 hours. When the plaster is dry, contemplate where your bracelets are now and dump them all out onto the table. Okay, this part's optional, but so fun. I did this next part off camera, but it's a good idea to rotate your large dowel rods for physical and visible balance. This really helps to add a dimension to your bracelet holder. supplies in the description box below so that you can make this yourself. All of the links are to Amazon so that you will know where to get the supplies no matter where in the world you are. But these things can also be found at most craft or hardware stores. I also want to talk to you about 2 modifications that you can do with this project. 1. If you don't want to use the thick dowel rods that hold the bracelets, you can always find a branch that's about the same thickness and use that instead. It would actually look pretty cool. 2. Instead of using plaster for the base of your bracelet holder, you can screw the dowel rod into a piece of wood or put it in a heavy jar full of decorative rocks. Let me know of any other modifications for this bracelet holder or future DIYs for videos that you came up with in the comments section below. And like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!